Yes, I have rejoined.
Ma'am, we are just waiting all the participants get joined.
Yes, you can start. People, candidate will.
Okay.
Yes, we
Okay.
can
Okay. Okay. So, as welcome back, everyone, and as we all know that dance is one of the art which helps you to express yourself. So, with your permission, I would like to request Miss Rohini Shinde, student of XYBA, to perform her art in front of us. Over to you, Rohini and Saili ma'am.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, 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 yes.
You can start. We can see.
Okay, okay, okay.
फायनली रोहिणीचा डान्स बघायला मिळणार आज.
हो ना.
Yes, yes. Wow, round of applause, guys. Round of applause. Actually, yes. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Rohini.
Thank
Uh,
you.
Actually, this is not wrong when we say that monsoon makes people creative. And yes, here we are watching hidden talent. I think it's not hidden talent. I think she's a dancer, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So yes, thank you for entertaining us, Rohini. Thank you once again. Big round of applause,
Thank
guys.
you.
Big round of applause, guys. Yes. So yeah, we are moving our next step, which is yes. I would like to request Ms. Rajeshri Dhepe, student of SYBA. Again, I'm saying all the SYBA and TYBA students are there. Only I am the one person who's from SYBA. Sorry, I'm a junior of yours, guys. And yeah, Rajeshri Dhepe, I would like to request Rajeshri Dhepe, SYBA student, please share her experience with us of the monsoon. Over to you, Rajeshri.
Hello guys, this is Rajashri. I am here to share my childhood memory which give me a rain. Me and my brother had gone to a village for my aunt's wedding, and coming from the wedding, they started a rain a lot. So we have to wait on the way. We all stopped in the front of the shop because of the rain. Many people had already stopped there. After some time, the rain subsided a bit. Dada and I looked to a side of a road. A puppy was drowning. He was trying to get out, but he couldn't. Then we both pulled him out of the water. He was very scared. Maybe he was feeling cold. We brought him home. He has grown up now. I think he will be 8 to 10 years old now. We call him a Khandya. Taste the love for all living creatures, the most noble attribute of man. Thank you.
Due to some technical error, she got disconnected. So we'll wait for 5 minutes till she gets joined in.
Till then,
Hello.
Yeah, she's back. She's back. Rajeshri,
Hello.
Rajeshri, I like to request you that please be in the network so that we can hear you very clearly, because your voice is stuck in between.
Okay.
Yeah. Please continue. Please continue.
I started again.
Yeah, you can.
Me and my brother had gone to a village for my aunt's wedding. And coming from the wedding, the started to rain a lot. So we have a wait on the way. We all stopped in the front of the shop because of the rain. Many people had already stopped there. After some time, the rain is subside a bit. Dada and I looked to the side of a road. A puppy was drowning. He was trying to get out, but he couldn't. Then we both pulled him out of the water. He was very scared. Maybe he was feeling cold. We brought him home. He has grown up now. I think he will be 8 to 10 years old now. We call him a Khanda. Last but not a least, someone says love for all living creatures is the most noble attribute of man. Thank you.
Big round of applause, everybody, because this is the greatest love toward our pets, animals, because this is called humanity, I guess. And yes, thank you for sharing your experience with us. Yeah,
I would like to add,
say?
Deepak, just a moment.
Yeah.
Thank you, Rajeshri. And I would like, the photo which we are seeing on the screen is the little puppy, which is now a big one. His
Yeah.
name is Khandya. So it is Rajeshree's dear dog, dear puppy. So you can all see it on the screen.
Yeah. It is very cute. Is it German Shepherd?
Sorry.
Is it a German Shepherd or it's like a local breed?
It's a
This looks
local.
like, yeah, this looks like a German Shepherd, but yes, actually, yeah, this is so cute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you once
Yeah,
again.
Deepak, you can carry on.
Yes, thank you, Rajeshri, and thank you, ma'am. Thank you once again, Rajeshri, that sharing your this story. And yes, actually, this is called humanity. We should keep in our always on our heart because humanity is the one of the best thing which God has given us. So yeah, so we are moving our next towards next participant, which is Manisha Auchite, student of TYBA. She is going to perform her dance art in front of us. So yes, Manisha, over to you. You can unmute yourself if you're doing live.
Hello.
Yes. We can hear you now, and we can see as well.
Hello. Hi. Good afternoon.
Yes. Good
Hello.
afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Is the screen visible?
Yeah. It's screen visible now.
Yes, it is visible.
Yeah. So shall we play?
Yes.
Bad girl, you can be my baby mama. Wanna take you best, we can shoot for the summer. Your body language, Tropicana. Boyfriend, jet, we can fly to Bahama. Fly. Tell me chains on your waist. Hiya, you better than my ex. I set the room party, you can be my guest. Hiya, I wanna feel that taste. Do you like it when I'm whining? You wanna pull it right behind it. Feel the wave coming right in. Get too close. I'll make you let me know lies. You know, I can change your whole life. Feel it burning like a wildfire. Get too close. I can tell you all up.
Are you ready to dance? Shutting it down with a gun. Know that we're making you dance. Yeah, you know that we're taking a chance.
Yes. So round of applause, guys.
No words.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Isn't it mesmerizing, guys?
It is.
Yeah. Yes. Thank you, Manisha. Manisha Auchite.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much. Actually, when I was watching you while dancing, my heart was dancing with you already. So it is like this is very tremendous performance, and yes, I really appreciate that. Thank you for entertaining us. Now we are
Thank you,
moving.
everyone. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Now we are moving ahead to, I would like to request our HOD, head of the department, Savita Patil ma'am, to share his words through her poem. And yes, actually we are very eager to listen your voice, ma'am. Please, over to you. Ma'am, you can unmute yourself.
Yes, sorry.
Yeah.
Thank you, Deepak. Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, thank you so much and love you all, children. You're doing very, very, very good. You know, it's really a kind of uh, feeling dignity for department. Thank you so much being the part of our department. Now I begin with my poem. It is, you can have some nature in this poem. The title of my poem is Silence. I begin. I sense void in me. I sense void in me that encroaches my body and soul. I stand by the lake, watching ripples on its surface. I stand by the lake, watching ripples on its surface. Movement is only on the surface. Movement is only on the surface, but the bottom is still and unexplored. I glance at the clouds. I glance at the clouds full of water, reaching on the shore of the lake. See, each act is noiseless. See, each act is noiseless. Only whispering is sensed. The silence that spreads in and around. The silence that spreads in and around is picked with my eyes. When I close the same, when I close the same, the silence takes hold of my body and soul. The silence takes hold of my body and of my body and mind and oozes down through the ink, forming words on paper. And oozes down through the ink, forming words on paper. Thus, my silence, my words whisper with you, as if a soul, as if a soul speaks to a body, all noiseless and unheard, all noiseless and unheard. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so
Beautiful,
much.
ma'am.
Actually, this was very, very insightful words. Actually we did not aware about the silence has this much to speak, and
Interpretation.
silence also speaks. Right. Thank you very
Silence
much.
speaks. Yes, right.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Yes. Now we are moving ahead towards yes, our supportive, also supportive character in this inaugural ceremony, which is Siley. Yes, I would like to. Sorry, my mistake, guys. This is. I would like to request Mr. Borude sir to present her poem in front of us. That we are waiting for your words, sir. Over to
I
you.
would like to add, he is a great
Thanks so
poet
much,
and
Deepak.
he is a very creative. He's a very creative person. I'm happy to welcome him here in our department.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for this beautiful words. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so I shall begin now. So this is the poem about the mirror in my house. So I wrote it when, just a minute. Okay. Yeah. So this is the poem about the mirror in my house. So I wrote it when I just wanted to caption my one of my photograph about my mirror, and I just thinking about that mirror in my mind. So that time I just wrote that that line, some line. So hope you all like it. So I shall begin now. There are some dreams. There are some dreams that I have cautionly hoarded in my heart and the corners of my home. One of them is my looking glass. I have witnessed smiles and scares. I have witnessed smiles and scares, tears and tales appear on my face every morning for years. Through this glass, I have seen certain depth descend drop by drop into my eyes through this glass. For a while now, I have drawn pictures. For a while now, I have drawn pictures of my face on it, the face of a tomorrow, the face of a. The glass has always taught me to dare to dream. There is a pain. There is a pain in my shoulders these days. This glass has put a burden on them. As the glass ages and blurs into a whirlpool of obscurity, so does my reflection of a successful tomorrow, of happiness and dreams. It looks away. Yesterday, yesterday in a restless dream, yesterday in a restless dream, it fell from my hands and mutilated into a million pieces. Did I intentionally do it, or it was my mistake? I do not know, but I broke it in its infinite pieces, scattered on the floor. I desperately look for my face, my identity, and I did find myself in not just a one but hundreds of forms, equally beautiful, equally happy. When I wake up, I felt the pain subside from my shoulder. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Beautiful,
Very,
sir.
very good, sir. Extremely, extremely appreciative.
Ma'am,
Thank you.
isn't it deep? So deep, I guess.
It's a kind of mystic.
Yeah, yeah.
It is mystic. I remember Sylvia Plath and her
Yeah, yeah.
poem Mirror, but to some extent, I felt pessimism. Again, I sense the optimism in his poem. So appreciate.
Yes,
Thank you.
thank
Thank
you
you
so
so
much.
much, ma'am.
And
Thank
sir,
you.
round of applause for you guys. Sir, this is a very wonderful thought which you have shared. And yes, actually, we are really, really appreciate, sir. And yes, we are moving ahead, which is our supportive character, which is I said earlier as well. Saili ma'am is going to perform her poem in front of us. So over to you, Saili ma'am.
Thank you, Deepak. So the name of my poem is Like Rain It Sounded Till It Curved. Like rain it sounded till it curved, and then I knew 'twas wind. It walked as wet as any wave, but swept as dry as sand. When it had pushed itself away to some remotest plain, a coming as of hosts was heard. It filled the wells, it pleased the pools, it warbled in the road, it pulled the spigot from the hills, and led the floods abroad. It loosened acres, lifted seas, the sights of centers stirred. Then, like Eligay, rode away upon a wheel of cloud. Thank you.
Very beautiful, very beautiful. Salimam, you have employed the imagery like John Donne. It's a
Yeah.
metaphysical kind of imagery which is very tough to understand. Very, very good.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for.
Nice one.
Yeah, Borul sir, you want to say something?
Yeah, it's a very nice poem. Thank you so much, ma'am, for this.
Thank you,
Uh,
sir.
Thank you, Sally ma'am. Now we are in the last stage of our inaugural ceremony. So I would like to request Ms. Rajeshri Depe to give vote of thanks.
I'm here to express my sincere gratitude to. Hello?
Yeah, please.
I'm here to express my sincere gratitude to all of you who made this activity successful. I'm thankful to Principal of our college, Dr. Arun Andhare sir, for inaugurating this event. I'm thankful to Dr. Patil madam for inspiration and guidance. I'm thankful to Chandrakant sir and Saili madam for being with us. Thanks to all my friends. With the permission of principal, I declare that the program is over.
Thank you, Rajeshri. Thank you very much. Yes, Saili ma'am, over to you. If in case some ideas, some thoughts you want to share, so please.
I guess Patil ma'am has to say something.
Yeah. Please,
No.
Pali ma'am.
No, I don't have any announcement and all that, but I have decided, Miss, rather than me, we three people, Miss Department of English has decided to conduct such a program of ELA activity virtually once in a week. So all the students are requested to show the same kind of interest as you have shown today in our next all the activities. So it will be a chance in this pandemic outbreak to get together virtually to share our thoughts, ideas, and to listen something and to get enriched by the thoughts of other uh, other guests here. So this is that I want to announce, and I hope that I will get or the Department of English will get the same kind of cooperation in future also. Thank you so much. Next
Thank you.
Saturday we will meet at the same place. That is the Zoom forum, and I request everyone, I inform everyone to be always enthusiastic in joining and participating the activities. Thank you so much.
Yeah, ma'am, I have to say, can I say something on this?
Yes, I really appreciate you, Deepak. You have done very good comparing. It's like a
Thank you, ma'am.
professional person.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. And
Proud feeling for everyone and proud feeling for you also.
thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Since I actually, this is so kind of your words are so kind, and I would like to tell you that I am doing comparing first time.
Oh, great. Nobody
Yeah,
can say so.
yeah,
Nobody can say so. Amazing.
yeah, yeah. See, actually, I'll start.